So check this out from Caddx FPV. It's an FPV camera called the Walnut, just perfect for those RC hobby pilots. It comes in this really nice case and has a lot of accessories in here. The camera itself is very small, around 63 grams, and has this housing around it that you can use to mount on any action mounts. You have 2 buttons on here to power it on, switch resolutions, start and stop recording, you turn on the Wi-Fi, and there's also a spot to charge this up with USB-C, and there's a micro SD slot to record directly onto the camera. On the back, it's actually magnetic, and there's also this little magnetic connection, which then comes with this attachment where you can pop this thing on, but mainly it comes with this buck module that you can use to connect it to your FPV drone. That way you can see the camera right from there. It also comes with 2 ND filters that can be screwed on this changeable lens, which you can use that to give your shot a lot more motion. It has Wi-Fi connectivity, so you can preview it on your smartphone, and you can also customize it further there. It has resolutions up to 4K 60 frames per second and 1080 120 frames per second, and with their Gyro Flow, it gives you very smooth footage, which looks great.